Roadhog!
Oh, it's good to see you, old man. Sigma Tau Delta Phi Gamma Kappa Lambda Hada Ha. Oh, me. Oh, great. Boy, get this gentleman's bag. Oh, no friend of mine is staying at a hotel. You're coming home with me. Taxi! Taxi! Cab! Here you are. Yes, right away. No arguments. We'll be just in time to see one of those funny cartoons. Barrington, I tell you, you're going to see something that you'll remember for a long, long time.
India, fabulous, enchanting, mysterious India, with its teeming cities and its steaming jungles, where the hunted tiger makes his home. He is sly, cunning, vicious, and hungry for a safari. But there is more to the tiger hunt. There is extensive preliminary planning to organize the safari.
Well, excuse me, Magoo is the name, and I'm organizing a tiger hunt. Need an elephant and a guide. Yeah, it's a nasty cavity in your right back customers.
What? Boo-hoo! Now, what's with all the rough stuff? I just wanted some information for my safari. I mean, if you can't have... Oh, thank you. Well, good day, sir. Stand back, a snake! Now, don't move. Take that, and take that.
That was a close call, you. But I got him. Now, what was I going to say before that snake interrupted me? Well, I need a guide and an elephant. You see, I'm going on a tiger hunt.
Ah, Sahib, you have come to the right place. The Smiling Hindu, volume elephant dealer. Let me show you my low-rent, no overhead lot. Clean late model elephants. No trade-in, nothing down, 1 day to pay. On established credit.
Oh, splendid. I'll take that one.
Oh, not that one, Sahib. That was driven by some kids from Bombay Union High. Very, very rough.
And this one's scrawny in the trunk. Couldn't carry much.
Oh, no, Sahib. The trunk is up here in the front.
Oh, yes, one of those new compact jobs, eh?
And another nice feature, it was driven by an elderly school teacher from Pakistan. And it's howdah broken.
Howdah broken? Well, who's gonna let it in the house?
No, misunderstand, Sahib. Howdah's where you ride, with standard equipment, like a gun. Observe, Sahib. How convenient to get in.
Oh, that's great. By George, I'll take it. Yeah, you sold me. Now, all I need is a friendly guide.
Sahib, do not fear. Your personal guide is here.
Well, lead on, but don't get too personal, guide.
Tiger country, steaming, menacing jungle, danger lurking behind every bush.
Okay, now where are all the tigers? Mr. Know-It-All.
Patience, Sahib. I think he's on the trail now.
Yeah, you talk a big game hunt. Oh, you're not a tiger in miles. Guide, where are you? Oh, there you are. Who's driving? Oh, don't you growl at me. If you're gonna guide, start guiding. Oh, good gracious. He drives like a maniac. Stop this elephant immediately.
But, Sahib, there's a tiger on our tail.
Who cares? I said immediately.
Yes, Sahib.
What's going on?
The hunt is over. The safari trudges its weary way homeward. The faithful guide, ever alert for the safety of his master. The mighty hunter, proud of his great feat in vanquishing his foe.
Hello there! Mother Magoo here. Many people ask me if it's difficult to be a Hollywood stuntwoman. Not at all. It's just a matter of applying the principles of safety with common sense and know-how. Indeed, I can say without hesitation that there are no ill effects.
Yeah, no ill effects.
Oh, knock it off, you silly horse. The folks want to see the next cartoon.
Oh, boy, it's a cartoon.
Oh, what a delightful place for a camp. Boys, it's so picturesque. Lovely, lovely Lake Tally-Ho. Oh, Mother Nature's done it again.
Go! Like to play kid games, eh, Waldo?
Sometimes. Why?
Didn't you just hit me in the back of the head?
Oh, no, not me, Prez.
Now, you boys, go rustle up some grub. A rabbit, some grouse. Yes, indeed. I'll start a campfire.
Say, Prez, this spot look familiar to you?
Yeah, buddy boy. Isn't this where we ran into that crazy fox?
It sure is.
Ouch! There he goes with that nutty slingshot again. That did it. Now, here's what we're gonna do, Waldo.
Oh, here we are. Ooh, these young pine saplings, they make wonderful firewood.
Hey, do you hear a chopping noise?
A woodpecker. Forget it. Those two idiots are after the fox again.
Yeah, they never learn.
Now, when that fox comes racing by, you let him have it with a club.
Gotcha.
Wait here, chum. I'll go around and flesh the little beast. Oh, get! Oh, boom, boom! Shoo! Get out! Ha! Ha! Get! Boom! Get out here! Shoo!
Is good? Is good.
Oh, little Indian mother. How colorful. You mind if I have a look at the little fella?
All right? It's all right.
Kitchy-kitchy-coo. Ha ha ha. How about a kiss for old Uncle Presley? Okay?
Okay.
Ow!
Sorry, Prez.
That's all right, buddy boy. Only hurts when I blink.
Gosh, Prez, what do we do now?
We stop this foolishness, old sidekick. Get my shotgun out of the car. There he goes, Waldo. We got him cornered. There's no question about it, buddy boy. That's a right smart fox.
Yeah, he sure is.
We gotta outsmart that idiot, Waldo.
But how can we do that?
By using the Presley brains. What else? Now, you pesky fox, take this.
Gosh, what happened, Presley?
This beast is no amateur.
Oh, a stubborn little devil. Must be a dull axe.
There he is, Waldo. After him.
I'm right with you, Prez.
Oh, dad rat it! Ah, that does it!
timber!
Oh, what a surprise. A family of bears. Amazing how they could all live in one little old pine sapling.
La-dee-da-dee-da, la-da-doo-dee-da. Ooh! Magoo's house is on fire! Sure as my name's Wells Fargo.
Oh, just look at that sky. Completely overcast. Hope it doesn't rain.
I'll douse the house.
It'll start sprinkling any minute now. Oh, by George! It's a cloudburst! Batten down the hatches! Heavens to Rutgers, I forgot about my shirt. But we'll have things ironed out in time for the next cartoon. Take a peek, won't you? Yes. Here we go, my little Hamlet. You didn't think your master would forget to feed his little pet hamster, did you? Now eat hearty. It's your favorite supper. Filet mignon. Oh, so tender. A delicious morsel. Oh, Hamlet. Oh, the little fellow was grateful and practically floating on air. He's such a happy look on his face.
Oh, the
little fellow loves me. Now, off to the party I go. Ah, yes, of course. Every night.
See? Oh, that square Magoo. Just like always. That food was meant for me. I'm the one that's starving. Me.
Well. Looks like the old man left my supper on the table. Ah, hamster on rye.
Oh, come on, cat. Every time he leaves, you try to eat me.
Now, is that any way for my little old TV dinner to talk? Here, now, stop that. Don't you just hate a supper that fights back? Now what's that little idiot up to? Heading for the kitchen again, huh? Well, we'll see about that. You know something? That's a tough little hamster. Oh, this is so fiendish. I just know I'm gonna feel like a dog. Wear a metal crash helmet, Willie. This magnet will do the trick.
Look at me, dummy cat. I'm about to eat like an idiot. Look, stupid feline. I'm up to my ears in food. I'm gonna stuff myself like an olive. Like an olive, I'm gonna stuff myself. I'm gonna eat until I'm... I talk too much. Hey, wait a minute.
And why, pray tell?
Where's the ketchup?
Huh?
How can you eat a delectable little hamster without ketchup? What kind of dummy are you?
Oh, I'm sorry. You're absolutely right. Silly me. I'll go get some ketchup. That's what. Oh, no.
Gangway, let me out of here. Contact.
Ha! I'll fix your wagon. Airplane.
Up, and away!
Yipes!
Here we go again, cat.
No.
Oh, yes.
Good. He's staggering this way. The little idiot doesn't stand a chance.
Jeez.
Murder.
Oh, boy.
Oh, no. Even a feather should have triggered this trap. Ouch!
Bombs away!
Oh, what a charming party. Oh, these neighborhood barbecues are such fun. Oh, great Scott. Oh, we've been struck by lightning. Oh, you you miserable cat! You know, you wrecked the house. Oh, I hate a cat that can't be trusted. Out! Out! Out, 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 I say! Now I can't all my pets be as well behaved as Hamlet here. He's such a nice little hamster. My little doll baby.
Just call me Lucky.
Imagine old Fantasy being a father. Here we are. Memorial Hospital. Good. Excuse me, I'd like to see the Fantasy baby. Oh, great Scott! Operating right in the reception room. Oh, the Medical Association will hear about this. Oh, nurse, where can I see the Fantasy baby?
Fresh.
Ah, there he is. Active little fellow. A spitting image of his father. Kitchy, kitchy, coo. I brought you a comic book, baby. And look, here's one of the funniest cartoons you've ever seen. Oh, just look at that. Why, this old carpet sweeper makes the carpet worse. Where are all those new appliances they keep promising? Oh, you new bright world. Ouch! Oh, thank you. Oh, good boy. Man's best friend. Oh, by George. Now, there's something really modern in a vacuum cleaner. This might be the answer. Oh, if the sweeper is endorsed by the city, it must be good. Now, I'll go and get a demonstration.
Oh, goody. Only 2 more jewelry stores to go, and I can retire. Hippity hop, hippity hop. Now to another jewelry shop. Oh, mercy. My beautiful machine has gone haywire.
Say there, I saw your sweeper advertised in the Bugle. Does it have lots of attachments? Oh, my George. No, this is what I really had in mind. And you ride on it, too. What is this gadget for?
Please, sir, don't!
Oh, I like that salesman. He doesn't high pressure. He lets the product sell itself. Oh, by George, a sweeper with real power. Unsurpassed, I tell you.
It's the robot romper. Step on it.
Oh, this machine really picks up the lint. It picks up everything. Oh, this must be for the rug beater.
We're gaining on him, Chief.
What was that?
Oh, fun while you work.
There he is!
We got him now, Chief. Hey!
Ready, Flanagan?
Ready, Chief.
Holy mackerel! He's a city employee, too. There he goes! After him, Flanagan! Ah! His engine's conking out.
Oh, drat it! Faulty magneto.
And now for my promotion to police commissioner. Well, what have you got to say?
I'll take it. I'll take it. Oh, the attachments work fine. But you'll have to fix that magneto.
All right, let go of that thing.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's taken. I just bought it.
Chief, what have they done to you? Chief! So you're behind this caper.
Don't be an idiot, Flanagan. First, what about him?
I was first, madam. I have already said I'd take this machine. Yes, you just send the bill to Quincy Magoo, 359 Shady Lane Avenue. Toodaloo. Farewell. By George. Oh, what a cleaner.
Only old lady food. Only old lady food. Geronimo! 1, 2, 3. Neither snow nor rain, nor hail nor sleet shall keep a mailman from delivering his mail. Phew, I didn't watch where I was going, but I'm sure going to watch what's coming.
Where we headed now, Mr. Magoo? Charlie, curious.
Oh, to Pete Martin's toy shop, Charlie. We're going to pick up a little present for Wheeler and Dealer.
That's a good idea, Blotz. I hope we make it.
Hang on, Charlie. We're going downhill.
Charlie can't look. Goodbye, Mr. Magoo.
Oh, what a sense of humor you've got, Charlie. You can relax now. We're at the bottom of the grade.
Now see why Charlie is such a nervous houseboy.
Here we are, Charlie. Pete Martin's Toy Shop. Oh, just the place to get Wheeler and Dealer's present. Couldn't possibly miss the place. Toys for children. Oh, I love the new clever toys. Oh, they're so imaginative.
Oh, boy. This gonna really be trouble. You watch.
Look for a salesman, Charlie. Lovely department. Oh, excuse me, ma'am. But do you know where we can find the preteen toys?
Yeah!
Oh, come on, Charlie. Just because they're on their feet all day is no reason for a salesgirl to take it out on a customer. It's very rude. Now, there's a toy Wheeler would love. A giant xylophone. Ah, look, Charlie. It's collapsible. Oh, they just don't build them like they used to. Oh, look, Charlie. Good miscellaneous toys for tots.
Charlie better remove self from scene.
I'd like to look at some of your miscellaneous toys, sir.
Oh, this gonna be a good one.
Ah, I see you won an award for salesmanship. It shouldn't let the metal get dusty. Oh, take pride in it. Boy, what a go-getter. I like the cut of his jib.
Everything all right, Blotz? Ask a silly question and, oh, boy.
Oh, look, Charlie. Oh, a toy truck. Can't they make them bigger each year? Oh, and old-fashioned brakes. Isn't that cute? How quaint.
You're really not kidding, man.
I found just the toy, Charlie.
Which one, Mr. Magoo?
Look, candy cigars. Watch, I'll light one. Oh, Charlie, say, oh, the search was worth it. Now, the kids will love this toy. It's so traditional. They never grow old. See? It's a big jack-in-the-box. And it talks. Personally, I prefer the old toys. Oh, much smaller. It's simpler to handle. Oh, Magoo, you done it again.